I always get asked the question, do I need a Social Security attorney, or why should I hire you? And my response to that usually is, it's not a matter of do you need one, but when do you need one? Because you can apply, it is possible to apply for Social Security benefits and get paid. They award benefits almost half of the time on the initial application. The problem is, it's not those cases that are the problem. The problem cases are the ones that get denied initially and then have to go to a reconsideration appeal and then a hearing. And at the hearings, I feel like that's where an attorney is definitely needed, because when you go into court and that judge who works for Social Security has documents in the file that are basically against you on your application, and he has called in a medical expert, one of their paid experts, as well as a vocational expert to testify about the facts in your case and whether you're capable of doing anything or not. That's a very difficult situation to find yourself, and I think to try to do that for the average person is almost impossible to do it properly and adequately. And I feel like it's dangerous to go into a hearing with a judge and his experts without an attorney, and I would never suggest that somebody do that. I think that if you get denied at the initial application stage, you should always get an attorney. And also something that's come up recently is there's a difference between attorneys and representatives, reps or representatives. That's become kind of the latest thing with some of the bigger firms, where they go in and they're hiring non-attorneys to go to court for them or for their clients, and so people end up going into court meeting this representative right before the hearing, and I don't think that's the best thing for that person. I really believe that to adequately represent yourself and competently represent yourself at a hearing with a judge, you need an attorney. And so I would suggest that if you're denied at the first level, find an attorney as soon as possible, because it's very important at that point. Very difficult.